My video guide will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups that are associated with the website getflowxt.com. This getflowxt.com pop-up is extremely malicious. It may unexpectedly attack your browser, and the developers of this pop-up and this extension indicate that this extension provides alternative search results to Google. So something alternative. In reality, this extension that is promoted through such pop-ups functions as adware. It displays a lot of intrusive advertisements which are not really related to the sites that you visit. So interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. Be careful and don't install any extensions like that. If they were mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser or any other browser, you should undertake the measures and remove such third-party extensions immediately from your Google Chrome browser. By the way, the extension is called Flow for Chrome, and this is some new name, obviously. To remove any third-party extensions from your Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then if you see any third-party extensions here on the list, get rid of them. I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching the system with its help to detect and eliminate all other infections fully from your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.